Most vegan cheese tastes like regret. Rubbery, bland, with tofu try to cosplay as something it's not. You try the recipes, bought the overpriced options and still ended up with something sad or worse. But what if I told you feta, goat cheese, mozzarella, halloumi, parmesan, camembert, even blue cheese, all of it 100% vegan and made at home? These are my cheeses, and they don't just look like cheese, they feel like cheese, they taste like cheese because they're built like cheese, just without the cow. I'm from Sardinia, where cheese is not food, it's culture. It's a way of life. When I went vegan, I wasn't craving steak. I was missing that texture, that funk and that flavor I grew up with. And nothing store-bought even came close. I spent a few years trying to fix this, digging into traditional cheesemaking, fermentation, texture chemistry, and reworking it from the ground up with plants. What I discovered is a system. One that blends old world craft with modern techniques. No industrial machines, no food science degree. Just a smart process you can follow step by step to make the best vegan cheese of your life at home. That's when MENSCH was born. It's my course where you learn how to make an incredibly vast range of cheese from scratch. You'll discover how to ferment and age cheese safely at home without stress or expensive tools. You'll understand how to pick the right base depending on your flavor and texture goals. You'll learn how to control the moisture, pH, cultures and salt to create real depth and umami. You'll know how to tweak fat content, acidity or time to take your cheese from meh to mind blown. And you will learn how to age some cheeses for weeks or enjoy them fresh the same day. And if you want to skip the ingredient hunt, I created a box, delivered to your door wherever you are in the world, with the exact cultures and essential tools you need to get started instantly. No guesswork, just open it, blend, ferment and go. It's a vegan cheesemaking starter kit for serious flavor lovers. Whether you're doing this for your health, the animals, the planet, or just because you're tired of being let down by the supermarket vegan cheese, this is your moment. This is your skill. This is your kitchen. So, click the link below to join the course, get a box and start making cheese you'll actually crave. I see you inside, peace!